مرحبا year 5. Today we are going to learn different adjectives and we are going to use these adjectives to describe famous people. Adjectives in Arabic, it means الصفات الصفات الصفات. Last time we learned how to say the role of the famous people in Arabic. Today we are going to learn how we can describe them by learning different adjectives. But first, do you still remember the role of the famous people? What do we call actor in Arabic? ممثل. Well done. Tom Cruise, ممثل. Scientist in Arabic, عالم. Well done. Einstein, عالم. Author in Arabic, do you remember it? Yes, it's مؤلف. Roald Dahl, مؤلف. Leader in Arabic, قائد. قائد. غاندي, قائد. Painter in Arabic, do you still remember painter in Arabic? Yes, it is رسام. Singer in Arabic is مغني. مغني. Athlete in Arabic is رياضي. And TV presenter in Arabic is إعلامي. Well done. Now we remembered the role of the famous people in Arabic. Let's now learn a few adjectives so we can be able to describe them. The first 4 adjectives we are going to talk about them today are beautiful, kind or nice, smart, and brave. Beautiful in Arabic, for a boy we say, of course we say handsome, so it's وسيم. وسيم. If I'm describing a famous person which is a female, I say جميلة. جميلة. وسيم. جميلة. Kind in Arabic is لطيف. And if I want to put it in feminine, I say لطيفة. لطيفة. And you can see the T مربوطة in red color. So لطيف. لطيفة. Smart in Arabic is ذكي. And in feminine, ذكية. ذكي. ذكية. Brave in Arabic is شجاع. شجاع. And in feminine is شجاعة. شجاعة. شجاع. شجاعة. Now let's use these adjectives to describe some famous people. Now the best adjective I can use it to describe Tom Cruise is definitely وسيم. So read with me from right to left. Tom Cruise, وسيم. Tom Cruise, وسيم. To describe Sheikh Muhammad, there is no better adjective than شجاع, which is brave. So, الشيخ محمد شجاع. الشيخ محمد شجاع. To describe Einstein, I can use ذكي. Einstein ذكي. Einstein ذكي. And we all know how Oprah is a very nice TV presenter. So we can say Oprah لطيفة. Oprah لطيفة. Now, can you use the 4 adjectives that we just learned to describe your family members? Who is from your family members Wasim or Jamila? I can say, for example, أخي وسيم أختي جميلة. Now go and use these four adjectives to describe your family members. Now the next four adjectives we are going to learn are short, tall, fat, and skinny. Short in Arabic is قصير قصير. Tall in Arabic طويل طويل. Fat in Arabic بدين بدين. Skinny in Arabic نحيل نحيل. قصير طويل بدين نحيل. Now take few seconds to watch this slide again and practice these four adjectives. Now let's talk about the feminine of each adjective and use it in a sentence. The feminine of طويل طويلة. Now read with me from right to left. Kobe Bryant طويل. Kobe Bryant طويل. The feminine of قصير قصيرة قصير قصيرة. Tom Cruise قصير. The feminine of بدين بدينة بدين بدينة. Opera بدينة. The feminine of نحيل نحيلة نحيل نحيلة. And example of skinny in Arabic غاندي نحيل. Now can you use these adjectives to describe different famous people? Now, how do you feel about your practice today? If you feel that you can use these adjectives to describe any person in masculine or feminine, show me a happy face. If you're still not sure about describing people using these adjectives, you can go back to this video from the beginning, watch it and practice again. If you feel that this is too tricky or too hard for you and you need more help, please come tomorrow to your Arabic teacher and ask her for any help you need. مع السلامة.